We just finished up installing some LED fog light bezel lights here on the 3rd Gen Tacoma to not only give the front end a little bit more styling, but also some function. We're going to show you guys how to get installed here in this video. All right, so right here on the table, we have everything that's going to be included in the kit. We have the 2 lights, we have the wiring harness, and then we have the wire taps as well. These lights are going to be available in 2 different color options. You're going to be able to get a white running light with an amber turn signal and also an amber running light with an amber turn signal. These lights are also going to work on your Tacoma if it comes with or without fog lights already installed. So if you do have fog lights installed on your Tacoma, you can go ahead and cut the center of this out. But if you don't have fog lights, you can install this just how it comes. When it comes to wiring for this, you're going to have your power and ground coming off of the main harness, and then you're also going to have a yellow wire coming off of each of the lights. That's going to be to power the turn signals. On a scale of 1 to 3, we're going to say that the difficulty on this is going to be a level 1. You're going to need very minimal tools or skills to get this done. We can easily pop the hood, reach in, and get those factory bezels removed and get these popped in. So when it comes to powering these lights, there's a bunch of different ways that you can do it. In this video, we're going to be getting power from the marker lights on our headlights. So with this kit, you're going to get 3 wire taps, 1 for each of the yellow wires for the turn signal, and 1 for your main power. And then the black wire is our ground. That's going to be going to the 10mm bolt on the inner fender of our Tacoma. So for the tools, we have a 1/4-inch ratchet with a 10mm socket. We have a pair of wire strippers. We have a trim prying tool to just help us get these factory bezels off. And then we have a utility knife here to cut out the opening for our factory fog lights. So step 1, pop the hood. We can go ahead and reach our arm down in there behind the grill, and we can depress the clips to get these bezels removed. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this one out. Once I get it removed, I'll show you where all of the clips are. There we go. So looking at the back here of the bezel, you can see there is 6 clips holding this in. So when you reach your hand down in there, you're going to push this in and push the bezel out on all 6 tabs, and this will come out. All right, so we got those factory bezels removed. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut the openings out for our fog lights. If you guys don't have fog lights on your Tacoma, you can go ahead and just take these and pop them in place. So we're gonna take the blade and cut these little connecting tabs. Should be fairly easy. If you want, you can go back and clean these up a little bit more. So with the holes cut out for our fog lights, we'll go ahead and take the plug. We'll feed that through, and also the yellow wire for our turn signal. We'll feed that through there as well and get the bezel snapped in place. All right, so we got both light bezels installed. Now we can take the harness that's included. We're gonna cut off the connector that is on the power side because we're gonna be using a wire tap for that, so we don't need the ring connector. Now we can go ahead and get this laid out in place. We're gonna have obviously the power and ground over here by our battery, and then we'll go ahead and run the plugs to each side and get those plugged in. All right, so we got the harness ran, we got both lights plugged in. Now we have our power and ground here. So the ground, we're gonna go ahead and hook up to this 10mm bolt here on the inner fender. There's also another 10mm bolt down in between the battery and the inner fender if you wanna mount it to that. It's a little tucked away, you won't see it as much, but for video's sake, this one's right here and easy. So we'll go ahead and get this mounted. So we have the ground hooked up. Now we need to hook up the power to turn on the bezels. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out the bulb and the plug for our marker light here on our headlights. And we're going to be using one of our wire taps to get power from the wire that turns on the marker light. So we're gonna go ahead and quickly probe these wires. As you can see, we got power here on the purple wire and no power on the white wire. So we're gonna put our wire tap onto the purple wire. So we'll put the wire tap on here, and then we'll take our wire strippers and we can crush this on. With the wire tap on our purple wire, we'll take our red wire, put it into the other end of our wire tap, and we'll get that clamped down as well. So with that being done, we can take our bulb, we'll put that back in and get that reinstalled into the headlight. So at this point, we have both wired up. We have our power and our ground. We should be able to turn these on and test them and make sure they work. Lights are on. You can see they are doing the startup sequence, and we're good to go. Now we need to go ahead and wire the turn signals on both sides. So let's go ahead and do that. So here on the driver's side, looking at the plug for the turn signal, you're gonna have a 2-wire plug that's gonna have a beige wire and also a white with a black stripe wire. The beige wire is gonna be our power for the turn signal here on the driver's side. Over here on the passenger side, same deal. It's gonna be a 2-wire plug, but we're gonna have a blue wire and a white with black stripe wire. The power for the passenger turn signal is gonna be the blue wire. So just like our power wire, we're gonna take the other 2 wire taps, and we're gonna get those connected, one to the beige wire, one to the blue wire, and then we'll take the yellow wire from our new lights and put it onto those. As you can see, both turn signals are working, and they are sequential as well. So they're gonna match the headlights that we have installed and also the sequential mirror lights that we have. If you guys wanna grab those as well, all of it's available on yodaexpedition.com. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap here of the LED fog light bezels on the 3rd Gen Tacoma. If you guys have any questions about this install, ask me down below in the comments. And if you wanna pick a set of these up for your Tacoma, you can grab them from yodaexpedition.com. Click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.